Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to keep your YouTube subscriptions private. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and this works on both iPhone and Android devices, as well as on a computer. So let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on View Channel option. Now you'll see a pencil icon right above the About section on your channel page. Tap on that pencil icon to enter the edit mode. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the Privacy section. Look for the option that says Keep all my subscriptions private. To keep this information private, simply toggle the switch on. Once you've done this, your subscriptions will be hidden, and only you will be able to see which channels you're following. And that's it! You've now successfully made your YouTube subscriptions private. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.